Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best Litecoin website. You can claim Litecoin, earn up to $200 every hour. Okay, this is the Litecoin wallet and this is the Litecoin website you can earn, and this is the Litecoin this website paid, and this is the value of the earning winners and users. It's all about this one, and if you want to watch the tutorial you just click it and this one show you the tutorial. And it's very easy, just sign up, email address, password, your referral link and Litecoin wallet address in here. Okay, so I click login because I have already account about that. I just click login to show you the all website. Okay, and you can see this much Litecoin I have in this website. And first of all, you can roll free Litecoin from here. Okay, this is free rolling. Every hour you can maybe earn one Litecoin too. Okay, and this is one of the best way. Okay, just solve the little capture and just solve it. Just click roll number and I win this much Litecoin. Okay, and then you can click multiple. You can multiple your Litecoin. Just clicking multiple and you can maybe win or lose. Okay, and the next one is earn. The next way is the investment. Every year pay you 8% of your investment, and daily interest people is calculated random time every day. This much Litecoin pay daily, this website. And the next one is the lottery ticket. You can buy lottery ticket. If you earn this much, you can be one of the best one. Okay, you can buy lottery ticket. If lottery ticket price is this much Litecoin, and you can buy it any how much lottery ticket you want. Okay, this person win this much Litecoin. The lottery number is this much and user ID, and this all about it. And this person win this much Litecoin, they buy this much lottery ticket. Okay, and the next one is backlist, and you can come here and participate and play, and you can be win or lose. Okay, I didn't recommend you. If you want, just do with your risk. The next one is the referral. Right now my referral number is this much Litecoin, earned from referral this much, 50% of the referral you can earn. Okay, and this is the 2% to come join with my link. Okay, in this 10/26/01/12 this new. And the next one is the withdrawal. Okay, how much is the minimum withdrawal? We close it. Email address, first confirm your email address and they will be found in 24 hours. This is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, and the network fees is this much, and you can be easiest way to earn your free way. And the next one is the deposit. You can be deposit your amount in here too. And that was the wonderful way you can earn much more. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.